Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another healthy recipe with millet pongal with pressure cooker. Better version of preparing millet pongal is on stove top, but if you are in a hurry or shortage of time, you can prepare millet pongal with pressure cooker. Let us see how to prepare millet pongal with pressure cooker. Here I am roasting half cup of moong dal or green gram dal on low flame for 5 minutes or till you get nice aroma. Now switch off the flame and keep it aside. In a pressure cooker, heat 2 tablespoons of desi ghee or A2 ghee. For this add 1 spoon of cumin seeds or jeera and 1 small spoon of peppercorn. You can increase or decrease the number of peppercorns as per your taste and 2 twigs of curry leaves. Saute while and add 1 slit green chilli and finely chopped 1 inch size ginger. Here I am using kodo millet. You can use any millet of your choice. I have washed and soaked millet for overnight, or you can soak it for 8 to 10 hours. I am using millet soaked water. Totally 4 cups of water I am taking. That is 1 cup of millet, half cup of dal. Double the amount is 3 cups plus 1 cup extra water. And adding sea salt. You can also add pink Himalayan salt as per taste. 1/8 spoon of turmeric powder. Stir for a while. For this add washed roasted dal. Pongal is high protein diet suitable for all age groups. You can use it for breakfast, lunch or dinner, or you can use it for lunch box also. And millet soaked water contains micronutrients, so don't discard millet soaked water. Now I am adding soaked millet. Close the lid and cook for 2 signals. After cooling, open the lid. Millet and dal are perfectly cooked. Consistency is perfect. If it is too thick or hard, you can add hot water because millet absorbs more water. Now add half cup of grated fresh coconut and 2 tablespoons of fresh desi ghee. Give a quick mix. Super healthy preparation millet pongal with pressure cooker is ready to serve. Serve your family healthy meal. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.